Hello beauties, and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. In this video, I'm going to show you this food, this meal, or this diet that can help you lose weight in no time. And this healthy meal is packed with nutrients, goodies, and vitamins and minerals that can help you lose weight in no time. So yeah, if you want to see how I made this, if you want to see how I did this, please keep on watching. And before then, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Tap on the bell icon. In that way, you'll get instant notifications whenever I upload a new video. So thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye. Bye, lovelies. So my lovelies, the first thing I do is to go ahead and slice and cut my sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in amazing nutrients and vitamins, which can help you lose weight and stay healthy. Sweet potatoes are also packed with numerous goodies that are very helpful when losing weight. Again, the high water content in sweet potato makes them great for losing weight. Incorporating sweet potato into your salad, into your meal, into your diet when losing weight, very good for you. So here I'm applying sweet chili sauce on top of these sweet potatoes and at the back as well, making sure they are properly distributed. You can go ahead and apply any sauce of your choice. In an empty wok, I'm adding a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and I will allow it to heat up a little bit, and I will sprinkle a little bit of salt, and then I will add sliced onion, as you can see here. I've gone ahead and stir it a little bit, and I will allow to fry for a minute or two. So here the next thing I'm going to add is chicken breast. So as you can see, this chicken breast is spiced and pre-cooked already. So now I'm going to continue to stir for about 5 to 10 minutes. Chicken breast is very good and also high in protein. It's also low in calories. However, this can also be a great staple. Not only will it help you shed body fat, but also improve your body composition. Chicken breast is very good when added into your meal, such as salad or any food of your choice, especially for weight loss. It's very good. So as you can see, I added a little bit of blended ginger and garlic, and I'm going to continue to stir. In an empty bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add minced veg, and I'm going to add a little bit of salt and water, and then I'll rinse it properly. So here I'm going to go ahead and rinse this properly. So as you can see, I'm slicing cheese, and this is feta cheese. Feta cheese is full of vitamins and minerals. It's low in calories and fats, and also contains high amount of vitamin B. Very good when incorporating into your diet, into your meal. So as you can see here, the chicken breast is done, and I'm going to go ahead and put it aside. Just perfect, just the way we want it. So as you can see here, I'm going ahead to slice beetroots. Beets is great for weight loss. However, it has amazing properties that made them great for weight loss and also for your skin. Beetroots are very good for health purpose, for your weight loss, and also for your skin. Incorporating this into your diet, into your meals, you'll feel great you did. So here I'm adding mixed veg into a bowl, and also adding cucumber. So here I'm adding beetroots. And I'm going to go ahead and add our sweet potato. Remember, we grilled our sweet potato, we didn't fry it for healthy purpose. I added chicken breast, and I'm going to go ahead and add olives and cheese. So I'm adding a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and I'm going to go ahead and add sweet chili sauce, just a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and squeeze half a lemon. This is optional. And after that, I'm going to combine everything together beautifully. So this diet is packed with nutrients, vitamins, and a lot of goodies for your health, for your skin, above all for weight loss. Very good. So yeah, this is the outcome of this healthy meal. This is very good for your skin. It's very good for your body. It's very good for your health. It's very good for weight loss. Such a healthy diet, healthy meal, and healthy food. So we've come to the end of this video, and thank you also so much for watching this video. And please go ahead and check my food channel. Check out my food channel, Amaka's Healthy Kitchen, for more videos like this, for your traditional meals, your traditional food, for your delicacy and all that, especially for healthy meals. Check me out on Amaka's Healthy Kitchen, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye. You always